Good morning everyone. So you may not be morning when you're watching this, but good morning to you anyway. So today I'm off to Night Racer again. So this time I am dropping off some parts. So last time, if you saw in my last video, I didn't really make it out the gate of Night Racer because I crashed my scooter and also cracked my phone in the process. So a bit unfortunate, but it happens. So today I'm dropping off parts for my GTR. I've got the air ride, so I'm getting air ride suspension fitted to my GTR front and back. So I've got 4 struts. So the reason I'm getting this done is because getting over my driveway is a pain, because last time I cracked my front splitter and also humps. So it's to protect my car. Okay. So once I get this air ride suspension system fitted, I'll be able to, with a push of a button, increase the ride height of my car or lower it. So there I go, off to Night Racer. And also I'm going to have a look at what they've done so far. So fitting the carbon fiber front splitter onto the car, a new bumper was fitted, and also the pops and bang map. So it was remapped and got the new Ecutech software fitted to the car in order to do all that modification. So can't wait. Okay, right, so these are the 2 boxes for my Airlift suspension. So let's quickly do an unboxing. Okay, so this is the Airlift kit 78618 Nissan for a Nissan GTR R35. This is the rear one, as you can see. So front ones are in there. So let's see what is inside there. Okay, so there you have it. These are the rear ones. So this is what I'm getting installed. So in the bottom, so it looks very good, very strong and sturdy. There we go.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Look at it.
Oh my god, look at that.
look at it.
Oh my
So
god.
low.
That is proper low.
Yeah. Well, that's how you wanted it.
Wow.
Obviously, that's on the lowest setting,
Oh, okay.
of course. Obviously, you know, you've got air right now, so you can set whatever you want. I've just put it on the lowest setting.
Jesus Christ, that is like scraping the floor.
Yeah, that's on the lowest setting, so when you park up and you want to show it off,
Yeah.
that's what you do.
At the lowest setting?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And then the blades, come on.
Have a look.
The blades, here we go. Oh my God.
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
There we go then.
That is beautiful. Can't really see it on the camera that much, but yeah, wow.
All carbon fibre, real carbon.
Jesus.
Not fake, not aluminium.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe that, man. So this is where the tank is, and this is where the air is stored. This is the pump, which pumps in the air into the 4 bags, which are by the wheels. So this thing here, we must make sure every month that you bleed out the air. All you do is unscrew that. Now you can see there's a valve there which you push down on to release the air, and you will see some water sprouting out. So I'm going to use the cap to push down on it. So you push down until all the water has come out. And there we go. So you push down until all the water's come out, and then you just screw it back on. So try and do this once a month, if not every 2 weeks, if you can. So that's quite a bit of water, as you can see there. So just make sure that you are doing it if you have the Airlift system, so the tank is all running nice and smooth. Here's the tank, sits really nice and snug. The only thing is it does take a little bit of your boot space. Obviously I'll just cover it with my mat here. Okay, so how much did it cost, that you may ask? So it cost me £4,500 just for the kit, and then obviously with labour and that's over about nearly 6 grand. When you do buy it, you'll have on eBay 2 sections, so make sure you buy the tank as well, because what I did was I bought airbags but not the tank, because I thought it was all included. So make sure you buy that. So let's have a look at the airbags. So there it is. That is the airbag there, which increases and decreases the height of the car. Now, as you can see, I've got carbon fiber diffuser blades, so I have to be very careful when I go on humps. So it is quite a handy tool. Right, and the front has got it as well, but you can't really see it that well. See it on that side as well, this side, and there it is. Right, so the controller is fitted in the front here, so which is quite nice. It's tucked away, it is out the way. So let me show you. So there it is. So that is the controller there, the Airlift performance controller. So let's start the engine. So as you can see, you get the PSI for the 2 front tires.
Bluetooth connected.
All right, Bluetooth connected, I know. And so we have the PSIs here. So this is for the left side front, and the left and the right side front, and then you got the left rear tire and the right rear. So I normally have it at 80, around 80 psi on all sides. Now it's all up to how you want it. I don't want it too low because going through humps, I don't want to damage my diffusers, so I have it at 80 anyway, which is quite comfortable. If you have it too high, the wheel do tend to touch the airbags. So you can adjust each one manually, so you don't really have a marker here, but you can feel like a bump, so that's a button there. So this side is for the right side, so you can go up. As you can see, it's going up to 87, 88, or you can go down. Same again on the left, up and down. And then this side here, you'll feel another bump here, so this is to go up. For the rear right, so up and then down. Same again on that side, which I'm not going to do anyway. Right, so to increase the height to its max, you just press this button, press and hold, and then this should go up to 110, 11 psi. So that noise there, if you can hear, it's just the tank filling up with air. But that noise will go, it's only there for a short time, so it fills up all sides of the airbag. Okay, so still going, so it will stop, so don't worry guys, when you're driving you're not going to hear that noise, it's fine. So just filling up. So let's have a look at how high it's gone up. Pretty high. Let's put my hand in there. That is high. No way hitting a bump with that. So let's look at the front side. There we go. Pretty high. Okay, so now let's have a look at lowering it to its lowest point. So this time you are pressing the down arrow, the bigger one, not the smaller one there. Come on, there we go. That is slowly going down to 1 and 0. So that is fully down. So let's go and have a look again. How low? Oh Jesus, you feel it straight away that it is pretty low, because when you step out you'll see. Now look at how low that is. I can just about get my hand in there, and then the wheel arch, can't barely see the top part of the wheel, and then this side, it's proper on the floor. This time, not a chance. Probably get 2 fingers in there. So with the Airlift system that I have on my GTR, I can also use the app to adjust the height of the car. So all you do is download the, there we go, ALP3 app, which I have on here. So you just download that, ALP3, it's focusing. Right, so let's click on that. So you come up with this, and all you really do is go on settings, go on discover manifold, and it will search. Now, in order for this to pair with the Airlift system, you need to press this middle button that says Airlift, second arrow going up, just press and hold, and then you come up with the display. So you got the main display, operation setup, calibration, about. So you go to the bit that says operation, which is the second one, so toggle down. Okay, so use these arrows to go up and down, and then the middle button to select enter. And then, as you can see here, you got more options. You got rise on start, preset, maintain, min driving height to minimum, pressure height, anti-cross load, show mode, and the last one that says Bluetooth pair. So you use this bottom arrow here, just toggle down and then press enter. Bluetooth pairing, go down to on. Okay, enable Bluetooth pairing for 1 ignition cycle, so enter that.